Hey everybody, here we are at another one of our projects. Andromeda District is super proud to be working with Gensler. Gensler is a design and architecture firm operating in 49 cities and 16 countries who's taking biophilic design to the next level, and we're part of working with them on this effort to creating beautiful spaces, improving the quality of the living space. Many people ask what's going to happen with architecture and interior design, especially after COVID. Well, let me tell you, this is what's happening. We are building greener spaces. We are building places that are healthier and more beautiful. If you actually had COVID and you were lucky to get well, you realize how important it is, the air that we breathe and the quality of that air. Using green walls can improve the quality of that air, among a multitude of other benefits.